Hey guys, in this video we're gonna troubleshooting Snapchat camera low quality issues. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get rid of this problem. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your internet connection should be an stable network also. So for that, just remove your network from your device and try to rejoin the network again. The second thing is, if the application is running in the background, try to restart the application and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it's still the same problem, then move to the next solution. Now go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, search for Snapchat there, and if there is any update, try to update the application to its latest version to fix any kind of bugs. So in the last, you have to clear the cache memory of the Snapchat. So for that, go to your settings, scroll down at the very bottom. Here you will find clear cache. Simply click on clear cache and all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared. Similarly, go to Snapchat, hold it and click on app info. And once you're in settings, now you have to go to storage usage and again click on clear cache, and from here the corrupted memory will be also cleared. Alright, so in the last, if you're still having the same problem, try to reinstall the Snapchat application and most probably your problem will be solved. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.